Someone with zero coding skills just sold a simple AI tool for $375,000. Another made $30,000 in 10 days from a game built almost entirely with prompts. And right now, while most people are distracted by trends, thousands of non-coders are quietly building AI apps that make more money than most 9-to-5 jobs. The strangest part? This isn't secret information. It's not locked behind a degree. And yet, most people watching this will never try. In this video, I'm going to show you how this actually works, the exact model behind it, why it's possible right now, and how complete beginners are turning AI into real income without learning how to code. If your instinct is to doubt this, that's normal. You've been trained to believe that software equals complexity, that apps require years of learning, and that only real developers make money in tech. But that belief is outdated. An AI-powered app called Base44 sold for $80 million. A Chrome extension called CiteSure, built to automate legal citations, sold for $375,000. Built with AI, not traditional code. The founder of CiteSure didn't even consider himself a developer when he started. He didn't invent new technology. He simply noticed a problem and used AI to solve it faster than everyone else. And that's the opportunity most people are missing. This approach is commonly called vibecoding. Vibecoding means building software by describing what you want in plain English and letting AI handle the technical work. You don't write complex code. You don't memorize programming languages. You don't configure servers for weeks. You explain the idea. The AI builds it. You test it. You refine it. If you're imagining this is like learning Python or Java, stop. Vibecoding is closer to giving instructions than programming. 10 years ago, building an app meant either spending years learning to code or spending tens of thousands hiring developers. Today, you can build a working product in hours, test it with real users, and improve it almost for free. This is why the rules changed. AI didn't just speed things up. It removed the gatekeepers. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people who watch videos like this will do nothing. Not because they can't, but because they wait until they feel ready. They watch tutorials endlessly, obsess over tools, try to learn everything first, and never ship anything. Vibecoding only works for people who build before they feel confident. This matters because the money isn't in perfection. It's in speed. Let's talk about how this turns into real income, not theory. Method 1. Direct sales. This is the simplest model. You build a tool that saves time, removes friction, or automates something annoying, and charge for it. Examples: Chrome extensions, simple web apps, internal business tools, AI assistants for specific jobs. The key insight: you don't need originality, you need usefulness. Method 2. Subscriptions. 50 users times $40 per month equals $2,000 per month. 200 users equals $8,000 per month. This is where leverage appears. Recurring revenue is powerful because it compounds. It also makes your product valuable to buyers. This is why tiny AI tools sell for 6 figures. Not because the code is impressive, but because the revenue is predictable. Method 3. Build to sell. You don't need millions of users. You need proof. If your app makes even a few $1,000s per month, it becomes an asset. Many vibecoders build small tools, launch fast, validate demand, then either scale or sell. This isn't hypothetical. It's happening every day. This is where small wins become big money. Let's talk about real outcomes. Peter Levels built an AI-powered game using tools like Claude. In 10 days, it made $30,000. By 2025, it was generating $75,000 per month. That's nearly $900,000 a year from something built primarily with AI. Then there's Connor Bird, who builds small, focused tools. Not platforms. Not startups with teams. His portfolio now generates over $1 million per year. These people aren't special. They're early and consistent. Notice a pattern. They don't chase massive ideas. They don't try to build the next big thing. They build tools for specific professions, solutions to boring problems, products people already pay for. AI rewards clarity, not ambition. Most people fail because they aim too big. Vibecoding works best when the scope is small. You only need one tool to start. A tool like Cursor or Claude can generate code, fix bugs, explain logic, improve features. When you're ready to monetize, Revenue Cat for subscriptions, Supabase for users and data. Everything else is optional. Most people learn the wrong way. They binge tutorials. They save links. They never build. The people who succeed do the opposite. They build something small, break it, Fix it with AI. Improve it. Learning happens inside the build. Right now we're early. AI tools are powerful. Competition is low. And most people still don't believe this works. That won't last. As more people catch on, markets get crowded, standards rise, easy wins disappear. The advantage belongs to people who start before it feels obvious. You now understand the model. You've seen real proof. You know the tools. The only difference between people who profit from AI and everyone else is action. Pick one idea. Build something small this week. Not perfect, just real. If you're serious, comment build below. 6 months from now, you'll either still be watching videos, or you'll be looking at your own dashboard. The tools are ready. The market is ready. The only question left is, are you?